So one bait that we've talked about enough is the SR Crawler. You know, this is a bait that I had help in designing for the spinner rig type or crawler harness type crawler. So the 7-inch version was for all those big, you know, crawler harnesses. You know, the little 4-inch version was for those compact, you know, slow turn hooks or even a compact crawler harness. Or one other time that I like to use the 4-inch SR Crawler is on just a jig trailer. You know, this is a little 1/8 ounce jig here with the 4-inch SR Crawler, and this is a type of bait that I want to use a lot of times when the water's colder, right? Gulp, hold scent, and so it's going to disperse that scent into the water when it's a little bit tougher, when those fish are a little bit more lethargic. But I'm going to generally use it in those cleaner water situations. It's just a lot more lifelike action. At the end of the day, in the SR Crawler, we have an array of colors. You know, it's one of those things where I always thought it was weird why we're using this brown night crawler, even in dirty water, and they seem to find it. But now we have options and colors, and obviously the durability to go along with it.